Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my CrystalSkys Handdyed, and it's fall at the castle. So let's take a look at what we got. It's kind of exciting. Alright, I think I got everything out of the bag. I love the bag with all the fall leaves on it. I like that bag. Now watch, Pusheen's gonna play with it. So let's take a look at the extras. I don't even know what's in here. Oh my. So it's gonna be new to me. Okay. So into the bag. So we got botanical cold water infusions, blackberry, raspberry, hibiscus tea, I think. Oh no, it's just the cold water infusion. Nice. So we got that. We got, oh no, that's not this one. Oh, I guess it's a Hawaiian punch. I'm trying to hold where I can read the name of it. Hawaiian Punch, Berry Blue Typhoon. Nice. We got a cowtail. And we got, oh, okay. We got Mentos Strawberry. We got a Werther's Coffee. And we got a Lightsaber. And a tin. Plain black. That's nice. Oh. And it's, what's in it? And it's got knitting stitch markers on it. Oh, look at that. That's a big spider. And what's next? Oh, look at the cat. Oh, I love the cat. And then there's a moth. And I guess it's another moth. And another cat. Oh, those are really cool. Here they are. Although they are for knitting. I don't think I'm going to use the spider one because that would like get in my knitting. That's really cool. So I like that. And then the yarn. Let's see what the yarn looks like. Kind of exciting. Burr, burr, burr. Okay. Here we go. I like how it always comes in these. I like to keep it in those. Okay. So it is called Bats. Right? Bats at the Halloween Feast. And it's from book 1. Okay. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. That's real pretty. I get mine on Bengal worsted, as you could see. And then there's a smaller one here with a tag on it. And the mini skein is called, oh, Black Cat. Look at that mini. Oh, that's really pretty. So I think that mini goes well with the worsted. Oh, I really like that. They go very well together. That looks real good together. I like that. I like that a lot. So the Bengal worsted superwash merinas, 220 yards. And then of course I get an extra, I think it's an extra 10 or 20 yards with the mini skein. And there is the information for CrystalSkys Handdyed right there. And it is CrystalSkys Handdyed at .etsy.com. So that is where I get my yarn from. Absolutely love it. So thank you so much, Donna. I think it looks fantastic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this a little bit of fiber. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.